So we're making edible water bottles. I've made this before, but the reason I didn't eat it is because the rest of my family said it tasted like trash. Now, in this bowl we got water mixed with sodium alginate, which is just salt but cooler, and over here we got calcium lactate, which is milk but cooler. So, and then you get a scoop of the sodium stuff, and then you carefully put it in here, and then you flip it over, and then now it's in there, and then you wait 2 minutes ish. It's been like 2 minutes ish, and through the power of editing, it was only like 3 seconds. So I'm gonna try to scoop up. You didn't see that. I'm gonna try to scoop up a good one. I was gonna say this looks like something, but I have no idea what this looks like. Is that the best one we have? Okay, this little mutant is the thing that we're gonna be eating. You eat this. Eat this.
I'll try it.
Eat it.
Oh wow. Just dump it into my hand.
Yes.
Oh, it feels like jelly.
Wait, you found the good one.
You got a
Pop.
good one.
Pop. Dude, that was so mean. No, it did not pop. You got 2 good ones. Yay.
Yeah?
That's your only reaction?
No. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give that a solid 7.5. The texture, beautiful. The overall flavor, it could use some work. Compliments to the chef.